Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox face tracking not working. First, ensure your device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements for this feature. Verify that your webcam is properly connected and functioning with other applications on your computer. Also, confirm that Roblox has permission to access your camera in your device's privacy settings. These initial checks are crucial for a smooth experience and can often resolve common issues quickly, saving you time and frustration. Next, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Navigate to your privacy settings within Roblox and make sure to enable the option Use Camera to animate your avatar with your movement. It's also vital to check that your account's age is set to 13 or older, as this feature is age-restricted. After making any adjustments, restart the Roblox application completely to ensure all changes are applied correctly and take effect. Moving on, software and driver updates are often overlooked, but are incredibly important. Update your webcam drivers to the latest version directly from the manufacturer's website. Additionally, ensure your operating system is fully updated to resolve any potential compatibility issues that might be hindering performance. If the problem persists, consider a complete reinstallation of Roblox, as corrupted game files can sometimes be the root cause of these malfunctions. For advanced troubleshooting, try testing your face tracking in several different Roblox experiences to see if the issue is specific to one game. Also, disable any third-party camera software or virtual camera applications that could be conflicting with Roblox's access to your webcam. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your issue and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken, then contact Roblox support for personalized assistance. They can provide further guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.